Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing Danish butter cookies. Okay, they are just butter cookies, but they are delicious. It's very easy to do. Quite remember when I was a child, my parents do buy us a lot of Danish butter cookies, and I even made a song for it. My children always say that when I sing the song it's very cringy, so I'm not singing the song, but they are really lovely cookies and I love them. So today we are making the almond flavor and coconut flavor butter cookies. Okay, they are lovely. So what I have here, I have unsalted butter here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it's really at room temperature. As you can see, it's really soft. Okay, you have to take it out of the fridge for some time. All right, and then you can get on with it. So I just want to just soften it much more. Right, so the next bit I need to do is to add some sugar. Okay, so this is people call it powdered, some people call it powdered sugar. It's icing sugar. Okay, so I'm going to add that to that. It gives it a very lovely texture. You can use granulated sugar if you prefer, but I love using this because it makes it much better. So guys, you need to add the eggs. So I'll just add one at a time. So guys, the next, before I add the flour, I'm going to add really nice vanilla extract. Okay, this is organic one, so it smells really nice. If you the seeds from the pod, it also smells absolutely lovely. Okay, so I have my flour here. So as we can see, it's very easy. Now, so in order to get this lovely texture, I'm adding some corn flour. Okay, just about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm adding some salt because I use unsalted butter. So I'm adding a bit of salt as well. Right guys, so this is our dough. So I've divided it into two. I have this and I have one in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, first of all, I'll add almond flour onto that one because I want almond flavor. And I'm adding some, as you can see, desiccated coconut onto the other. So guys, this is our coconut one, and that is our almond flavor one. Okay, the coconut one, what I did was I put that into the fridge so it became a little bit hardened, and then I'll be able to just roll it and cut them using the biscuit cutter. All right, so yeah, so I've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees, so I'll put that in for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then our cookies will be ready. So guys, this is our cookies done. It tastes amazing. Okay, so we have the almond flavor and I have the coconut flavor. All right, so if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for coming along with me, and may God richly bless you. See, it's really nice.